Hi everybody, Patrick here from Engineering Shock Electronics, engineeringshock.com. This is the Arduino Butler, and this is the Bluetooth video. Your Butler most Butlers will come with an HC-04 or HC-06 Bluetooth transceiver. The back is bare, the front has the circuitry on it. Front faces the LCD, and the back that's empty faces the relay. Turn it around, you power it up, and you're probably going to fry it, so be careful. You want to make sure that once your code is loaded, the Butler version 2.0 is currently available for upload. And I've got my power jumper set to PS. This power jumper has 3 pins, PS/USB. So if you want the external power supply, the 7.5 volt power supply to power the Butler, which is what we want for this because the HC-06 takes a lot of power, set the jumper to short the middle and left pin. If you want USB for the sake of programming and basic power, middle and right. In any case, I'm going to power it up. And what you'll notice is, so I just turned on the
I am programmed to serve you, ma'am. Please enter your security access code.
I had audio turned off there for a second ago. I set a power speaker just to the left, and obviously I've got my external stereo connector connected to the audio output. So right now you'll see that the HC-04 is blinking. I haven't paired it yet. Now there are instructions, the project page link below, talking about the installation of the Roboremo app on your phone and downloading the already created UI for this project. If you've had the Epic, it's a very similar project. What we want to do is we want to call the Bluetooth test function, and that's actually function number 10. So if we're using the onboard keyboard versus the external keyboard, what we'll do is when we get past security, we can enter just 10, and that will start the Bluetooth app. However, the Bluetooth function. However, first we need to do a couple things. First, I'm going to leave this on so it's blinking. And I want to take my other phone, and I want to go to Bluetooth, and I want to press and hold. And I want to scan for devices, and it's currently, here it is, the HC-04A, so it's an available device. So, it actually says here what the passwords could be, 0000 or 1234. So I'm just going to type in 1234. I think I entered it right. So let's pair it. And now it's paired, BT04A. So that's great. But it's still blinking. Why is that? It's because while we've paired it, we're not actually currently talking to it. Sorry for my phone beeping. I'm apparently getting emails. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to my Bluetooth app, the Roboremo app, and again there are instructions on installing it and whatnot, and the UI that I created for this project. And what I'll do is I'm just going to open it up. I'm going to go to the menu, connect, Bluetooth, and BT04A on channel 1. And now the LED is solid, so I've connected to it. So I'm actually already in my UI. I'm going to exit it, and I'm just going to go. I'm not going to go to disconnect. I'm going to go to interface, and I'm going to select. There's a ton of different interfaces. My UI is on interface 7. There are a whole bunch of other options. So when you start playing with your own Roboremo apps, you can create your own user interfaces. There's tons of information on this unit on the on instructables. The BT04 and the HC-06 are identical from at least a communications perspective. So I'm going to open up interface, say 4, and it's empty. So I'm going to go back to menu and go to interface and choose interface 7. And as you can see, I've just got an old interface that has 5 buttons on it. And it's got relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, and relay 4. But this is just a combination lock that I've created for this. So in any case, I'm going to enter in my security code, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Access granted. Would you like to log your mood for the day? If so, enter in a value from 0 to 9 on the keypad.
Okay, so I'm just going to wait until this is gone, and now it'll say enter command. So because I've got dip switch A, the far left dip switch here, set to on, we are using the onboard keypad to select our program versus the external keyboard. Now again, if you don't know what programs are what, you can look at the code, or you can select the directory command, which will print the entire directory to the serial monitor. In any case, the program we want to call is program 10, so I'm going to type in 10, code equals 10, and now we're in BT commands. So I'm going to enter in a code. And again, all I'm doing here is trying to find the correct code. So if I enter in 3, 4, you'll notice that it's updating. So let's do 2 and 1, and that's the incorrect code. Now you can change this code at the top of the Arduino version 2.0 software. Basically, so now that exits from the program because it wasn't what I wanted. So I'm going to type 10 again. Code equals 10. Now what happens is if I type in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, code match, access granted. So nothing really happens because I haven't really created an instance of what do I want it to do when I enter in the wrong code, or what do I want to do when I get the right code. It's all up to you. I'm giving you the tools and you're going to do the rest. So if I go back to Roboremo and I say disconnect, then the HC-04 will start blinking again. And just to show you that I'm going to pair it again, I'll reopen the Roboremo app and I'll connect Bluetooth and BT04. And it'll connect. And I can walk around the room. Hunky-dory. Sorry, on port 1. Now it'll stop blinking because it's paired. So thanks for watching. It's super easy. I hope to see. I hope maybe I'll see some of you make YouTube videos showing me what you've done with this project. So you can change that code in like the code is hard programmed right now is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can change that as you see fit. So I just gave a basic program for you to do with as you wish. It's great to be able to communicate with your phone with these Bluetooth units. They're awesome. They're easy to use, and I just needed the time to make more projects with them. But yeah, the Roboremo app is fantastic. I can't give it enough accolade. So thanks for watching. I hope if you haven't already, go check out the project page link below. Lots of information there. Take care of yourselves. Thanks again.